What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing an install video. I have a rear sway bar for the Honda. I have had one, but then I had some issues with some clearance with my exhaust. So this one is going to fix all those issues. We're going to go through it. I want to open it up, show you guys. We're going to put it on the car, and then we're going to go to it for a test drive and see if there's any difference in it. I don't know if it'll make much of a difference in the rear, but I definitely think it would help out a lot. So we're going to see how that handles. So stay tuned, like and subscribe if you want to see more. But yeah, let's get right into it. Alrighty, so this is a Progress rear sway bar. Let's get this thing opened up. Packaging. Here it is. The bar itself. Put that on the thing. And then I think, yeah, all the hardware is at the bottom. So like that. Alrighty, and we're gonna toss that box to the side for right now. And then we have all of our hardware. Of course, you get a couple stickers. This looks like all the actual hardware. Let me set that down right there. These are the brackets to the end links. So the one thing that's really cool about this kit, actually let me put this over here in the trunk. So one thing that's really cool about this kit is that these actually mount to the bottom of your shock tower, bottom of your strut or your coilover, rather than going off the lower control arm. These look like the end link brackets. Now, not the end link brackets, I'm sorry, the sway bar bushing brackets. I have a tie bar down there that I think I'll be able to reuse the sway bar that I have for, and then we have our bushings. But here, this is a non-adjustable sway bar. It's non-adjustable. There's only one hole, and it's kind of shaped a little bit differently, and that's why I went with this sway bar. Usually you have them like overhooked and everything, and you have the end links that are higher up, and then what happens is, like, if your control arm has the mounting points higher, they actually tap your exhaust and just gets really, really annoying. So hopefully this sway bar fixes that, and at the same time will improve the handling of this car. So let's go for it. All right, so what I wanted to do was I wanted to use these brackets with these bushings. However, it looks like they have a special bushing right here that is meant for this to go over and do that, and they slide in. I checked this bushing with this, and even though it's like tight, it still wiggles a lot, so I can't use those. I won't have to use the bushing, the bracketry that came with the kit, which is fine, no big deal. I just thought that this would look a little bit more sleek underneath. We're gonna hold on to these along with that other sway bar that is down here. Alrighty, I can't really work on my car in my storage unit, so I want to see if I can pull the car out, take it home. let's head to the house. This is a little bit harder with just one person. Last time I tried doing this on my own, I ended up hurting myself, so let's try not to do that today. Alright, long bolt goes on top. Let's get the other one out on this one. And don't worry, I want to add some washers to this too. This is just to kind of get it hanging up. And I'm probably going to speed run through the rest of this just so I can get it done. But yeah, let's we'll get this going, and it'll be real nice. So yeah, let's do it. We may have one small issue. I ran into this issue before with my other shaped sway bar, and it looks like the same thing is happening here. So it looks like it's my exhaust, but if you look right there, it's going to hit it. It's going to tap. It's going to touch each other in a way that I am not comfortable with. So I'm going to be taking the sway bar off, putting this all back together, and we'll figure out what to do then. Man, this kind of sucks too, because I have a hair appointment in about 20 minutes, and I was going to take this car for the test drive there. But I mean, that's what working on cars is all about. So let's get this back together and let's head out. Well, this would be the part that I would have taken you for a test drive, but unfortunately it's not panning out that way. So I don't know, sometimes this happens when it comes to cars, you know, but like it's the name of the game. It happens. So right now we are going to go get my haircut, and then we are going to hit the gym. So yeah, let's get going. All right, everyone. Well, I want to end the video here. As you can see, I'm back in the storage unit slash garage. My GoPro died, and then I was going to go to the gym, but then I decided just to come home. And then I'm probably going to take the wagon and go up to the gym because I kind of want to play some basketball, and the gym is on, like, the storage unit is on the way to the gym. So I just, you know what, screw it. I'm just going to put the car back in storage and go from there. Now, as far as what's happened today, the sway bar didn't work because it's tapping my exhaust. I mean, my exhaust is kind of like bit and pieced together, so maybe it's time just to get a proper exhaust, which is okay. I mean, it's just gonna take some time. And then as I got home, I started smelling a little coolant, and I'm pretty sure I have a very slow leak coming from the radiator, which is not ideal. However, what's really cool is, well, it's not cool. It just provides a new opportunity. I'm trying to think positive here. It provides a new opportunity to upgrade the radiator to the full-size radiator I wanted to do, maybe a little bit sooner than I wanted to. But it's okay, you know, things happen. But anyway, I want to end the video here. Look out for the next video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.